Okay, so get this whole team's just gone.
Poof.
Yeah, poof. Like not from, layoffs or anything, but because one single AI is now doing all their jobs.
It's kind of wild, right?
That's the potential of this whole vertical AI agent thing, right? AI designed for one specific job or role. And that's what we're diving into today. What does that even mean for us?
Yeah.
For businesses, for,
Like massive changes.
yeah,
A whole new
a
world.
whole new world of new opportunities and challenges and yeah.
Well, one thing I thought was really striking was that prediction that vertical AI agents could actually create companies 10 times larger
10 times.
than the biggest SaaS companies today.
That's massive.
That's a bold claim.
Yeah.
So let's unpack it.
Okay, so before we go too far, though, let's make sure everyone's on the same page.
Yeah.
For anyone who's not, deep in the tech world, what exactly is SaaS?
SaaS, it stands for Software as a Service.
Okay.
Think about it this way. Remember back in the day when you used to buy software on CDs?
Oh, yeah.
Install it on your computer. Now everything's online.
Yeah.
Email your calendar, all your project management tools. We access it all through the web.
Exactly.
That's SaaS.
So it's like going from buying a CD to streaming music.
Exactly. Spotify. Yeah.
Got it. So are we saying vertical AI is going to be that big of a shift?
That's what it's looking like.
Now.
The reason is pretty fascinating.
Okay.
So a lot of this B2B software,
Business to business.
business to business, right? The software that businesses use internally, it's really specialized and often pretty clunky.
Yeah.
And big companies that have been around for a while, they have these established systems. They struggle to adapt and update their software.
Makes sense.
It's too complex. So this is a huge opening for new companies to come in with fresh solutions.
Fresh blood.
Exactly. Just like we saw in the early days of SaaS.
I mean, this is where it gets interesting for all of us, right?
Absolutely.
Think about the software you use at work every day.
Uh,
Is it frustrating?
yeah, sometimes.
Outdated.
Yeah, there's a few.
Vertical AI could completely transform all of that.
For sure. Make your work life so much easier.
Oh, yeah.
And for anyone out there with an entrepreneurial spirit, this shift could be huge.
Huge.
We're talking a gold mine.
Okay.
The source actually predicted over $300 billion.
Billion with a B.
Worst of companies could come out of this whole vertical AI wave.
Okay, everyone listening, take notes.
Right.
$300 billion. The source suggests looking at industries you're familiar with and see if you can identify repetitive tasks.
The kind of things that
Okay.
AI could do.
Could your job be automated?
Oh, that's a good question.
Could you build the next big AI solution?
Yeah, this is a big opportunity.
Yeah, so to give everyone an idea of the potential here, consider this. Most successful startups, historically,
Right.
they come from the B2B SaaS world.
Yeah.
Over 40% of venture capital funding.
Wow.
And more than 300 unicorns. Those billion-dollar companies
I get
came
that.
from that sector.
Crazy.
Vertical AI could blow that out of the water.
It's possible.
Okay, so what does this look like in practice?
Okay, so imagine AI handling things like medical billing.
Okay.
It can pull data from patient records, apply coding rules, submit claims, even negotiate with insurance companies.
All automatically.
All automatically.
Wow.
Think about bidding on government contracts. AI can go through thousands of pages of documents, find opportunities, submit bids, potentially saving companies millions of dollars.
I mean, these are all tasks that usually need entire teams of people to handle.
I know, it's crazy.
What happens to those jobs then in a future where vertical AI is calling the shots?
That's the big question, isn't it?
It is.
That's what everyone's thinking about.
Yeah.
And the source actually acknowledges this vertical AI. It's
Yeah.
not just replacing existing solutions, it's about cutting payroll costs.
Right.
So it brings up all these questions about the future of retraining, reskilling programs for workers whose jobs become automated.
That's like a double-edged sword then.
I think so.
This tech can make our lives easier in so many ways.
Yeah.
But it comes with some pretty serious implications.
Absolutely. It's about adapting and getting ahead of it.
Being proactive.
Right. This whole vertical AI wave, it's gaining momentum.
Yeah.
And the question for you listening is,
Yeah.
how can you prepare?
Yeah. What skills do you need to thrive?
Exactly. What opportunities do you see?
In your industry.
Yeah.
We've given you a glimpse,
A little sneak peek.
a little sneak peek into the future.
Yeah.
Now it's up to you to explore.
Go for it.
That's it for this deep dive.
See ya.